said good already, and then why you just keep going?
Don't be scared, man.
I said good already, why you still going? What the heck, man? They were racing on the street or what?
Oh my god.
I said, hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel, car dealership and performance shop. It's Pham Motorsport, and today I'm gonna show you this 2004 Honda Civic. People call it probably Em2 maybe in the chassis. I don't know about that. And got a K series motor in it. It's a k20 A2. It's from 02 RSX Type S, and the same transmission. And on this body, very unique, and probably one in town in Lincoln, Nebraska. So for here we can do like the welder bun and intercooler, and the owner gonna put in the turbo later at home and drive back for us to tune. So let's see the car, guys. Owner just dropped the car, K series Civic right here, guys, and we're trying to do a work on it. A little dirty, it's okay.
I do, but when I drain it, it's dirty.
Before, what's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed, okay. Carbon fiber hood, man. This one have a AEM ECU Series 2. So you gotta look at the motor. Missy motor, radiator, K series, K motor, performance, everything here. The motor very potential for turbo, guys, and it's ready. So be turbo after tomorrow. Yeah, right here. Nice. Everything is carbon fiber interior too. Look at this, and very clean car, guys. I love this car, and it got a ECU inside the glove box. Yeah, very nice. In-kind wheel. I don't know. Is this what is this? Is it RPF1? Comment below, guys. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. Nice. Very nice one. One of a kind, man. One of a kind in town. I like this body style a lot. It's 04, 05. Very nice. They got a nice headlight, tail light, a lift, big ass muffler. Look at that. How big is that? 5-6 inch, guy. Damn. Yeah. Right here we're gonna take out oil pan and tap it for turbo. Take it out. Oh, leak oil, man.
Yeah. Just look at.
Yeah. My brother start on it already. So we take that oil pan down and tap it for turbo line. Oil return. Clean it up. Clean all the gasket maker up. We have to lower the front of the cradle down a little bit so we can get the bottom of oil pan down. Look at that. So my brother can weld a bun for oil return line for turbo. Okay, right here we're trying to weld the inside too, right here, and clean it all out. No leak, guys. That's good enough. K20 turbo. Yeah, after we air dry it all out, all the 7 in here, so clean it up and test the bun. Will you check see any leaks underneath that? Cap the button right there, cap it, so the owner can drive home, and he's gonna install the turbo. Lower it down. Now we're gonna do the intercooler, guys. Man, the wheels spin so fast on the air. k20. Woo! So dusty, man. Clean it up. Carbon fiber hood, guys. Need to wash it before turbo. So we maybe have to do a test ride before turbo first. Let's see. K2. Half ass, man. Look at that. Step on a little bit of gas. Step on it. Owner gonna take the car home, and I'm gonna go with him for a little bit. And this video is a pre-turbo test drive. And later the turbo gonna put in, and we're gonna tune it later. So we support the community here. So the owner gonna put the turbo by himself, but hopefully he get it. You know. Wait. I can go in with him and do one lap and see how the car run. And this car has been tuned already, so, but without a turbo. Yeah, man, let me sit down.
Seatbelt.
Don't drive too crazy, man.
I'm not going crazy.
Are you gonna drive crazy?
No.
Yeah, just go like 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM. It's okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
That's
Just
so
do a little bit
loud.
before the turbo, you know.
Yeah.
So let's see how it's driving. How you shift it to? You
Not
know.
too shabby. Too bad.
So where you can get this car from?
I got it from a guy. His name is Steve.
Okay, here in town.
Here in town, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, look, a lot of potential, a lot of carbon fiber, and I like it already. This first gear, guy. Yeah. Stop. Woo, man. This guy drives crazy. You need to slow down, man.
I'll slow it down, man.
It's went over the place. It looks slow in the video, but it's really fast outside. Yeah, I'm pooping my pants, man. I think that's good enough.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
man. It's all good.
On the curb right there, you weren't supposed to punch like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you hit the other car, man. Shit. A lot of people die, man.
Man, I got a big tires in the front.
Yeah.
It's not going nowhere, man.
Let's go slower, you know. Yeah, man, he was driving crazy. I don't know what about turbo.
The car is not warming up. So, you know.
Yeah, but just, I don't know what about turbo, man. This guy gonna beat the shit out of it. Really. Just drive straight and a roundabout and come back. That's it. No, the roundabout.
Go straight?
Yeah, straight and go back to the roundabout and go back.
Yeah. Sure, why not?
Man.
Where did the car warm up? Is it still not?
It's okay. But I see if it, man, it went over the place like that.
Yeah. It will, because it's in NLSD, you know?
Yeah. You should take slower. Slower. You know, I want to.
That's the silver guy.
Yeah, right here, man. He's behind us. He wasn't supposed to take the curve like that, man. Like straight. He go like curve like that. Crazy.
Yeah, you're taking the car, man. That's why you get like a good suspension.
Yeah.
You have to have a good suspension.
Yeah, I want to die in this car, man, for real.
I gotta die, trust me. So,
Okay, let's do it one more time. Good. No good. I said good already, and then why you just keep going?
don't be scared, man.
I said good already, why you still going? What the heck, man? Like, you are racing on the street or what?
Oh my god.
I said good, and you said, and you thought you just shift. Why?
No, I should forward, yeah. I didn't hear you, man. Sorry, my bad.
Oh man.
Yeah, don't be scared, That's alright, man. I can't power shift it.
I only scared when you do the curve. Cause I sit on a fast car before. I scared when you do the curve.
I got it. Been riding for a while.
But when I say it's already good, but you should keep going. I said good, and then you keep going. You know?
My bad. Sorry, man. My bad, brother.
I said it's already good, and then you just keep going. I don't know why.
I can't power shift it because I probably hurt the sync cruise in like third gear or something.
Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, guys.
Yeah.
And this car is for my man.
My belt.
Go back to Pham Motorsport.
Hell yeah.
Man. Alright, and that guy's racing too, man. Crazy. Alright, so see you next time, brother. Yeah, lock it up. Alright, peace out. Thank
Peace
you.
out.
Again, because you put a cap on the bun. Yeah. Okay. You good? Yeah, good. No oil leak. Okay. See you next time. Put a turbo in and then the cooler, man. Alright. Peace. Thank you. So they're about to leave. So please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Honda guy, k20. Crazy and it's rapid already. Yeah, you can see ours here. Very clean. There's a lot of space down here, guys. Ooh, let's go over here. And tomorrow we're gonna do the rest of welding on the pipe here. Yeah, and put this bumper. Maybe we have to cut it because probably touching, and we're gonna cut it. So let you guys can see.